Today we'll be checking out the Surfside Neighborhood Balcony Stateroom, cabin number 12701, located on deck 12 of Icon of the Seas. We'll start off here at the entrance of the room, and right off to your side is the bathroom. Royal Caribbean did a pretty nice job with the design here, and one thing you'll notice right away are the glass shower doors, which definitely make the room feel a bit more modern. The shower itself is actually pretty roomy for a standard cruise ship bathroom, and it also comes with a built-in shower seat. Mounted on the wall, you'll find the hair and body wash dispensers, so there's really no need to bring large bottles into the shower unless you prefer using your own products. Over by the sink area, you've got this large mirror built in with LED lighting, and it brightens up the room really well. You also find the toilet seat along with a few extra shelves for storage as well. Right next to the bathroom, you'll find the touchscreen thermostat and light controls. You can adjust the room temperature and even change the mood lighting depending on the vibe you're going for. And honestly, I thought this was a really cool feature, and it's one of those small details that makes the Icon of the Seas feel more modern compared to older cruise ships. You can also control the lighting through the Royal Caribbean app under the Stateroom section. Right nearby, you'll find this full-length mirror, and what's nice is that it actually opens up, and here you'll find the in-room safe along with a few extra storage shelves inside. And right next to that, you'll find the closet, which comes with both a smaller vertical storage section along with a full-size area to hang clothes, store luggage, and keep everything organized throughout the cruise. Over by the desk area, you'll find this oval-shaped mirror with built-in LED lighting, and right underneath the desk is the mini fridge for storing your drinks and keeping them cold. You also find your charging station built into the desk area to charge your phones and other devices. And across from the desk area, you'll find the sofa, which also comes with additional storage underneath. Then moving further into the room is the main king-size bed. I found the bed to be slightly on the firmer side, but overall still very comfortable. The king-size bed is made up of two twin beds pushed together, which is pretty standard on cruise ships. Over on the side of the bed, you'll find a reading lamp along with a USB port for charging devices overnight. The other side of the bed also comes with an outlet and a USB port, though during my stay I did notice that this particular USB port wasn't working properly. And located across from the bed is a TV along with a few extra shelves and a power outlet where you can also charge your phone. The TV itself gives you access to things like ship schedules, dining reservations, onboard activities, and your account information throughout the cruise. They also had a decent amount of TV channels available, though I never really found myself watching much TV other than occasionally checking out the ship app and the live camera views. Another really cool feature is that you can also control the TV directly from your phone through the Royal Caribbean app under the Stateroom section. So if you don't feel like reaching for the remote, you can easily use your phone instead. Next, we'll check out the balcony. Out here you'll find two chairs along with a small table with views overlooking the Surfside neighborhood. Now this is definitely one of the more unique balcony rooms on the ship because instead of facing the ocean, your view is centered right over Surfside itself. I will say though, these Surfside balcony rooms definitely aren't for everyone, especially if you prefer more peace, quiet, and privacy. But if you want something a little more lively and unique, I actually think this is a really fun option on Icon of the Seas. And if you guys found this video helpful, useful, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it and help the channel out. Until next time, peace out.